you, with you, boy. You won't give me too much chances. I don't care, I'm fine, I'm fancy brighter. Yeah.
Hey guys, so now I am going to take the bus to go to the Farid shop. So let's go, I'll catch you when I reach there. Hey you guys, so I just got home. Few things change in my plan. Why the fan is not working? Yeah. So a very good start, but first look at my room. It's horrible, like the house. It is such a mess. Like wow, मतलब जब मैं इसे यहाँ से गई थी, it is like school. Okay, so I just placed the camera. Also, let me give you a little disclaimer कि what's happening. सुबह सुबह मैं कहाँ गई हूँ. I just came back to my place where I used to live for my college, and I came here for some work also, and also to surprise my roommate as she's here, but I told her that I can't come due to this pandemic. Okay, so I planned to surprise her, but what happened, she is going my home like Delhi to surprise me. I came here to surprise her, and then boom, what, like it's so like bad starting of the day. I planned so much, like in whole metro I was planning that ye karungi wo karungi. Okay, so learn from me. If you are going to give surprise to someone, please confirm each and everything, that where he is or she is, like that. Also, I forgot my way, like I forgot the way of this house. मैं दूसरे lane में चली गई, and then I realized, oh, this is the wrong lane. So the second thing, and now this room, it's like room is looking so bad. ये इतना ज़्यादा गंदा हो गया. Like I came here after 7 months. Obviously feels so good, like after coming back to this place at 7 months. But yeah, still I'm excited to, like we gonna see each other like after 7 to 8 months. And yeah, she's going to come within like 10 to 15 minutes. So also I'm going to vlog like whole 2-3 days जब तक मैं यहाँ पर हूँ. This is going to be fun. Like I want to trap all this good things in a video. I thought, okay, what's the better way than vlogging. Also I'm going to clean my room for sure. So much is going to happen in this vlog, and she's about to come like in 15 to 20 minutes. I am so excited for that. At least बाकी सब तो like choppered हो गया. But she's coming here. We're still gonna fun, and I'm so excited to see her. Also, let me take my sanitizer out and sanitize me, because I know her. वो आते ही she gonna hug me, but मैं बहुत जगह से travel करके आई हूँ. First I took the metro, then I took the like myself and also her, so that we can hug each other. So yeah. Okay, she's downstairs, and let me. Okay, she's downstairs. She's gonna knock. Where is she? I think we're gonna wait so much. So, okay, so finally she's here. Hi, roommate. I'm vlogging.
I don't need to tell you that it's over. And I know if I come any closer, I don't need to tell you that it's over.
Signing in, and now we are just fixing our curtain जिसका rod टूट चुका है. So we are thinking to use this Kaju pin to just hold the curtains, and we are using this man as a hammer. Curtain fix हो जाए, let's see. फिर मैं दिखाती हूँ क्या होता है. Hey guys, signing in. So you can see the current status. Look at the background and my tumbler. I miss this so much. And look at the room. Wait, I'll show you. It's much better than जैसा पहले था. This is how my rooms look like now. So pretty. I love this light. I miss it so much. It looks so beautiful. Yeah, and also the status of the curtain is वैसा ही है, and the Kaju pin didn't work because वो उसमें hang नहीं हो पा रहा था, just because the curtains are like very heavy, so वो hang नहीं हो पा रहा है. By the way, room is looking pretty much better. यहाँ पे ignore that part, but yeah, look at this and look at me. I am so like pissed off now. I need to take bath and after that I'll catch you. Bye bye. It's been 7 months जब से मैं like mini show नहीं गया कहीं भी even. So me and my roomie also her friend we are planning to go a mini show and I'm gonna vlog it. So stay tuned. Bye bye. Hey guys, so signing in and this is my OOTD black shoes with the black jeans and sheen top. So
why is it so hard to let you go? To let you go. So why is it so hard to let you go?
guys, so now we are at mini show and here's the mini shop behind me. So we're gonna go and shop something. Let's see now. Okay, so right now I am at mini show and look at these brushes. They are so pretty. Just look at the brush. Wow, I seriously love this one. But look at the price. Damn, it's like 200 rupees. Look at the price. For this like small mirror, it's 200, but it's so cute. Hi. Let's go and see something else. So saw this body lotion and I am loving the packaging. And back to home, change the outfit, apply some headache balm and here is she.
RMS 22 season 2.
Okay, so now I'm having this goofies and uske baad we're gonna have dinner and I'll catch you after that.
What I once was, I don't believe it.
Hey guys, I just woke up and my face is literally swollen. Done with brushing, done with cleansing, like face wash, and it's a day 2. I don't know like what we have planned for like rest of the day, but I'm gonna take you with me. Also, need to go to fill the cylinder because gas nahi hai, so we need it so that at least kuch ban sake. My throat is hurting so bad. Need to get a lukewarm water also.
Hey guys, so signing in and I wish I could tell you the time, but it's like noon and now we are planning to go outside, to some mall or something like that. And also I didn't vlog yet like too much yesterday because we were like so tired. We went to the mini show and then we went to the H&M, but H&M was closed by the time of like 7:30 just because of this corona. So we are planning to go today there. Also, okay, let's sit here and talk to you guys. Also, I'm going to do my little skincare because I love skincare, and also I'm going to do masking because I feel like my skin need a mask. So I think Medimix Ayurvedic Anti-Pimple Cleanser with Multani Mitti and
So we are again planning to go to the Grand Venice and explore all the stores because it's been an like half year, like almost 7 to 8 months, and कल बहुत लेट हो गया था, so वहाँ पर like stores बंद होने लग गए थे. That's why. Also, I don't know what we're going to do like for rest of the day, but yeah, so I might be looking very weird, but yeah, let this mask be dry and I'll come back and I'm going to introduce my roommate to you guys. Like you have already saw her like pehle parts mein, but today we both are gonna sit and do our makeup, so it's gonna have so much fun. So I'll see you then. Bye. Hey guys, so we are going back to Venice and this is our OOTD. Me as usual wearing black with white sneakers and look at her, gorgeous. So we're gonna shop few of things, okay? So I'm planning to do a little mini haul also in this vlog, so stay tuned for that. Till then, bye. Hey guys, so we got so many stuff and soon I'm going to do a little haul. So yeah, till then we are going to just change our outfit, eat something, so I'll catch you soon.
welcome back to our lifestyle vlog. Hi Rumi.
Hi. So here's my roommate, and finally I'm introducing her. So she's my roommate, and today we went to H&M and 99 stores. So she bought like few stuff. I didn't got anything. #. So she bought few things. So I thought, okay, let's show you guys, because the recent collection of H&M like for clothes specific is so good, literally, and I'm gonna show you. So let's do a quick mini haul. So here's the few stuff she got from H&M. So the first one is this basic t-shirt, which is in like a dark grayish color. It's so pretty, like it just cost $3.99, and the material is so good, and the color is also so unique.
For the second round, we have this pink pastel t-shirt. It has NASA print over it, and it is so cute.
Like pure pastel pink, and the quality, oh my god, like,
and
look
this
at
was
this.
also for 399 rupees.
So if you want like pastel basic t-shirt in like budget, you can obviously go to H&M right now. Next we have the jeans. I'm gonna show you in last like the beautiful crop sweatshirt type top. So the next one is this jeans. It is in like a faded blue color, high-waisted one. So affordable, like $7.99 mein mila tha. And look at this, like whole jeans is so pretty in a slim fit, and the bottom, I love the bottom. It's have like thread ka aise cutting, so it looks so fancy on the same time.
I have this white high-waisted jeans over here. This was also from the same collection. This also costed me around 799 rupees.
And she always want to buy a white jeans, and finally she got it. Last I'm gonna show you two crop sweatshirt, which is the cutest item from all of the things. Okay, so it is in the lavender color. You know how I am obsessed with lavender, and she too. So this one is super cute lavender crop top with this white design, and the cost is around $7.99. so comfortable, like winter is near around, so you can definitely go and buy these kind of sweatshirt. Last product like in clothing is the one of the best things she got. You wanna show?
No.
Okay, this one is the neon crop sweatshirt, which has something written here, and the price is again $7.99. You can see the material, it's like a soft woolen one, and the color is so vibrant. In winters these type of colors reflect so beautifully. So if you want any neon collection also, you can visit there. I also saw some neon pink colored tops. Okay, not sweatshirt but tops. They are so pretty. So if you want any neon kind of thing, you can went H&M. Okay, so the last thing which I'm gonna show you is the 99 store product. It is not in a clothing type, it is like more over like a accessories, storage accessories. You got this. So it is a box type material, like container, where you can store your makeup. So she gonna store her lipsticks. It's very like nice. You got a 4 compartments, so you can categorize your lipstick like liquid lipsticks and your nude shade and your like matte lipsticks, so like that. And the compartment are like ऐसे नहीं है कि when you open the box वो निकल जाएगा. It's sturdy, and the quality is also so nice, and the price is like 349 rupees. So again, if you want any kind of like compartment like this, so went to the market 99. So this is all about our mini haul. So now we're gonna move to the fun thing which we haven't did like in the whole vlog. So me and my roomie is gonna do a #roommate tag. While we doing this tag wala thing, we also going to do our skincare. So I'll catch you in a bit. We're gonna find some questions and I'm back soon. Back, and now we're gonna answer like some random like roommate ke questions. So let's start with the questions, and with cold coffee, also with the skincare.
Ready to go.
Okay, so first we're gonna start with the cleansing.
We are going to use this Clean and Clear Morning Energy Oil Free, won't clog your pores.
So with that, we are also going to start our questions. So the first question is, what is the nickname we used to call each other? So I tell you, because I think I don't have any nickname. So I used to call her Tuli. Her real name is like Tulika, and I used to call her Tuli.
For me, she was everyday Di. It was Di. So the next question is, what is the things that we shared on daily basis?
I think we used to share almost everything except like personal hygiene. So we used to share our bed sheets, we used to share our clothes, makeup, skincare, everything.
Rent, electricity bill.
Yeah, that also. Our cleansing is done and we'll be back after washing our face. So done washing our face and let's move to the next step, which is the face mask, and with that continue with the question.
Can you remember any awkward memories?
Awkward, a lot. Like we had a lot of awkward memories, but can't share.
It's a secret.
Okay, so now I am asking, do you go for window shopping? Obviously.
It was the only time pass we had. We almost spent like 3 to 4 hours doing this.
Yeah, true. Who appreciate new dish crazily? Me, I
You.
guess. Yeah. I'm the only one, when we went like somewhere like restaurant or cafes. So I'm the only one who always try new things and they turn out literally pretty well. So yeah, right. This question is a tricky one and I also want to know. So the next question is, what is the like annoying thing of each other? Okay, which annoys each other?
Okay. She will be playing her songs 24/7 in her speakers. I always feel like throwing her speaker out of this
And
window.
the best thing is I usually like to play, if like I got stuck in one song na, so wo song gonna play like for almost a week. So
And you have to listen to it because she won't let me change the song.
so this is the only one thing.
Yes.
Okay. And for me, in starting when we shifted in our flat, so in starting she used to live in a very messy room, okay, and I was like, I was so pissed off. Like, whenever I entered in her room, I was like, ye saaf kar le, wo saaf kar le, ye kar le, wo kar le. So this is the like most annoying thing. Also one thing, like what is the use of doormat? Okay, the use of doormat is to keep on like front of the door or like bed के सामने. Okay, so इसका doormat हमेशा like gate के पीछे पड़ा होता था, and I was like कि फेंक दे बाहर, फेंक दे इसे. Now for face mask, we are going to use Medimix Ayurvedic Anti-Pimple Cleanser with Multani Mitti and Cinnamon.
I'm not that girl that I used to be. Sometime I'm more than worse. I'm beyond what I once was.
Okay, so next one is, what is the cutest thing your roommate does for each other? You tell first.
Okay, cutest thing. Like from past 2 years, she is the one who brought birthday cake on my birthday. Because I seriously felt sick, or you can say I don't like my birthday a lot. And she was the reason that I celebrated my birthday twice. That too continuous. Thank you.
You have to and I have to. For me is like, whenever we had some fight or some argument kind of thing, okay, she sometime used to wrote some letters which I have like right now as well. So I'm not gonna read in front of you because it's mine. So yeah, so here are like few letters she used to wrote from me. Okay, so I'll read one, which is like, she made one coffee for me, okay, and she was going home, so and I was like literally very upset, like she just came back like before a month and now again she was going, so I was like literally very upset. So she made a handmade coffee, and with that she like wrote a note which is cold coffee handcrafted with love, and this is so precious for me. So yeah.
Have you ever had to lie to your roommate about their outfit and said it looked good even though it didn't?
No. मतलब मुझे
We
नहीं.
always
Yeah.
tell each other it is looking ghatiya, go get changed.
True.
That is compulsory.
Yeah, true. So absolutely true. Okay, so we'll be back in a minute by washing our face. Okay, so next step is our toner. So we are using Sun Defense Neem Skin Toner from Jovis. Okay, so while our toner is getting dry, let's move to the next question. What does your roommate prefer, horror movies or comedy movies?
We both prefer horror movies if we are together or for like a month.
Yeah.
If
true.
anyone of is leaving day after tomorrow or after 3 days,
For
4
home,
days,
like,
we are not going to watch anything.
especially for me, like if I'm alone, I can't watch like horror movies at all. So toning done, let's move to the moisturizer, and for that we are using Pond's White Beauty for Spotless Glow Night Cream. Okay, so next question is, what is like our biggest fear? Like you have to tell mine, I will tell you.
She's scared of so many things. She can't sleep on that side of the bed. Cannot talk about anything horror if she is going to sleep after 10 minutes. It is forbidden for anyone or everyone coming into our home.
Yeah. Also, I'm so scared with dark. I can't sleep in dark at all. Can't.
We have special light
Yeah,
there.
that's why I
It
got
is-
that
it is
light
her
from
bed
Shein.
night.
I think I have only one fear for her, which is like a cockroach. Cockroach is like our biggest fear. So yeah, cockroach is the number one.
Hate it.
Hate. Yeah, we literally hate cockroach. Like we had a bad experience with cockroaches. Like there's one day, like kitchen के बाहर वाले area में there's almost like 50 cockroach. And the scene is like cockroaches are like coming in our room. They started flying. So we were like हम घर छोड़ के घर के बाहर चले गए थे. So moving to the last skincare, which is the lip balm. So we are using the Blue Heaven lip balm. So what do we miss about like each other?
Miss everything about.
Yeah, true. I also miss her so much. Like we are living together for like almost 2 years. Okay, we are roommates for like almost 2 years, and things happen. Okay, with everyone, and now I'm living alone in this house. So our skincare is also done, and for like hashtag roommate question is also done. I hope you guys enjoy this, part छोटा सा like questioning वाला and also the skincare one. So we are going to sleep because it's too late. It's like 4:40 in the morning. So we are going to bed now. We'll catch you like tomorrow, and tomorrow is the last day of this vlog. I guess she's leaving and I'm really gonna miss her so much. We didn't have like too much fun in kuch days mein, but yeah, jitne bhi हुए,
It was
so
awesome.
Yeah, it was so memorable. And the reason I did this vlog is only like I always wanted to trap these memories somewhere jahan se we can watch like anytime. I thought like what's the best thing to trap all this memory in a single vlog and upload on my YouTube. So bye and good night. Good morning guys. So just woken up and today is the day like last day I guess, because she's leaving for her home. So I'm gonna vlog right now. My throat is hurting so bad from last 2 days. So now I'm going to make chai. We're gonna like drink some chai. Okay. You're happy you're going back? Bye.
Bye.
Take care.
You too.
The girl that I used to be sometime. I'm more than words. I'm beyond what I once was. I don't believe in love. Hey, hey. If I want something, I got it. Hey, hey. Oh, baby.
She just left like a few minutes ago, and now I don't know what I'm gonna do for like rest of our day. I'm thinking to end this vlog here also. I'm gonna miss her like so much. Yeah, and I'll see if I do something. Usually like मुझे आज कुछ खास करना नहीं है. I'm just gonna film like 2-3 videos because 2-3 दिन से कुछ भी film नहीं किया है. So yeah, I'll see if I do something. So I'm gonna vlog it. Otherwise I'll end my vlog here also. I hope you अभी तक का vlog you wanna like. I have to edit it. I'm super excited to edit this vlog. So yeah, and also I have to like now clean the room because the room is little messy. Hey guys, what's up? So that's it for this vlog. I thought okay, let's come and end this vlog because I'm going back to my home Delhi, and now I'm not going to do anything. So yeah, I just came here to end this vlog. I hope you're gonna love this vlog. If you're gonna love, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also comment down below what's your favorite part, and if you have any roommates, do let me know in the comment section. So bye, we'll see you in the next video.